I don't know how people can't see it. How can you not see the Holocaust that's going on right here? Look at them. Taken from their homes, piled on top of each other, like there's some sort of an object. When was the last time they were fed? When have they eaten? Why are they tying them up? This is absolutely brutal, and this isn't the worst of it. They will be murdered by people boiling them alive. Imagine if this was you, taken out of your home, taken away from everything that you know, strapped up like this with elastics, piled on top of all of those that you care about, terrified, worried, and hoping that you will be saved. And your fate is that you will be murdered after all of this torture. What the fuck is wrong with our society? How can people here act like nothing is going on, like this is totally normal? There is nothing normal about this kind of animal cruelty. This is pure animal abuse. I'm so sorry, guys. There's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do. Nothing I can do except tell their stories. Please stop eating animals. If you stop buying them, they will stop putting them in the stores. They will replace these innocent beings by actual food, actual plants. Plants have protein. There is no reason to do this. The oceans are not ours. Their bodies are not ours. This is not food. This is violence. How do people not see this? I have seen this since I was a little girl. The first time I saw this, I knew it was wrong. You must have known it too. I'm so sorry. Every time you see this kind of suffering, the least you can do is film it. Look how beautiful they are. Look at their colors. They can't even scream. They can't tell you how they were suffering. How can people point at these innocent beings and say, your body belongs to me, and then murder them? How? How does this happen? How can people just stand around like it's nothing? Their lives aren't nothing. We don't need to eat any animals. No fish. Leave them alone in their homes. We don't need to eat cows, or pigs, or chickens, or turkeys, or lambs. They can't do anything. They are trying a little bit, but they are so broken down and fatigued, hungry. Some of them have just given up or dying slowly. A slow, painful death. Torture. If you find value in my work, subscribe to this channel. If you care about animals, speak out on their behalf whenever you can. If there's nothing you can do, there's nothing you can do, there's no way to save them, then at least tell their story. Try to raise awareness. Remind people, this is not food. Animals are not food. Fish are not food. And there's no excuse for animal abuse. These people are like slave owners. We know that slavery was wrong, and yet we still keep slaves. These are the slaves, imprisoned for crimes they never committed. In a shameful society. Pardon? Sorry? I'm taking photos of the innocent animals that you're torturing. But why are you torturing them? Do you not see that they're alive? You don't know? You don't know if they're alive? They are. They feel. They want to be free like us.
Yeah, I know.
But why do you put them in there? Why do you take them?
Put them in there?
Yeah.
Why? Because somebody wanted to go back from going to the sea, and the swimming pool is gonna put it inside. That's why put it there. You don't know that.
Sorry, what are you saying?
Okay, 1 minute. Roll up. Angelo.
It's okay.
This guy is trying to justify that it's somebody else's fault. I don't know what he's saying. He had to walk away because he knows that what he's saying makes no sense. Go vegan, everyone. You know it's the right thing to do. You were born vegan. You know it. In your gut, you know that that was wrong. See you all in the next video.